Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my video blog. We will show you again at my Vice breastfeeding video blogs, and we hope you all enjoy watching our videos right now. From now, we will make more videos like this for you all, dear friend, watching. And so now, nothing to say a lot, but I request all of you just like and comment on my video blogs and click to subscribe my channels someone else. And today I'm very happy and I'm very excited, but I'm so sad because I miss drops my video for everyone watching Tuesdays. So I hope everyone's missed me and my voice. If you watching these videos, please like and comment below our video. So tomorrow's we will record new video like this and we will drop on my channel. So if you don't click subscribe, please subscribe before. We will make more video like this a lot and quality for all of you watching each these ហើយចំពោះវីដេអូនេះពួកយើងគ្រាន់តែថតលេងកម្សាន្តតែប៉ុណ្ណោះអត់មានអីច្រើនទេអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាពេញចិត្តអីកុំភ្លេច subscribe ហើយនឹង like វីដេអូនឹងម្នាក់មួយផងបើសិនជាមានបញ្ហាខុសឆ្គងអីដោយប្រការណាមួយកុំភ្លេច comment ប្រាប់ពួកយើងខាងក្រោមផងដើម្បីឲ្យពួកយើងកែប្រែរាល់កំហុសខុសឆ្គងដែលវាកើតឡើងដោយអចេតនាចង់មានអីច្រើនទេមានតែអរគុណច្រើនអ្នកនរគ្នាដែលបានទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះរហូតដល់ចប់